Alrighty, so are we good? Talk about our fish. It's Fish 30, Fish Conversation, Fish 101. So we have a massive amount of fish that came out of this pond. He already knew that the pond was overstocked to begin with. So hopefully by increasing the size a little, we could actually accommodate room for more of those fish. But these guys have been housed in here for quite some time. Going on probably 2 weeks these guys have been in here. And what we do, you can see we've got a secured down net. The way that we treat our fish is very, very particular because we want to make sure that these guys are safe during the course of the construction process. But these things are very important to us, as are they the homeowners. So we go through all kinds of stuff to make sure we're doing ammonia neutralizer, water test, detoxifier, water changes. Like, it is a big process to make sure that these guys can safely make it back into their new pond. And we are almost at that point. So don't worry guys, you're almost there. I'm out, just get to work. So excited to be getting on to something known as detail work. As I always say, detail work will make or break your water feature, and we could easily spend an entire day going around the edge of this pond and all through the stream, detailing everything out and making it look like what we do, because this is going to turn out awesome. Plus all the aquatic greenery, we've got our liner extra high on all the sides, so that even if those zephyr lilies fill in and get super mature and it dams up water level a bit, it's not going to do anything crazy besides change the direction of the flow of water, and we won't be leaking off to our sides. It's gonna be beautiful. I'm getting out of here. Getting to work.
Guys, what do you think? The insurance job, did this thing turn out amazing or what? Do me a favor, give them some feedback down in the bottom. Let Tristan and the team know what you think. Did they kill it? Was the difference substantial? Would you have been happy if it was your project? Let us know. I'm John G, Modern Design. I'm gonna go do something else. You guys, go do something else too. Bye.